Hello children, welcome back. In today's class, we are going to start new lesson, that is light and sound. Children, light helps us to see different objects. Sun is a natural source of light and heat. It emits its own light. All stars are natural sources of light. When natural light is not available, we use candles, torch, bulbs, etc. to see. These are man-made objects. Therefore, they are called man-made sources of light. There are many objects around us which do not emit light at all, such as table, chair, paper, and clothes. All objects around us can be divided into two groups, luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Objects that emit their own light are called luminous objects. For example, sun, stars, fire, bulb, and candle. Objects that do not emit their own light are called non-luminous objects. For example, table, chair, book, and pencil. The moon reflects the light of the sun. Thus, it is also a non-luminous object. Transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Children, when light falls on objects, some objects allow light to pass through them, while some do not. Objects that allow the light to pass through them are called transparent objects. Example: ice, water, spectacles. Objects that allow some light to pass through them are called translucent objects. Example: frosted glass, sunglasses, vegetable oil, etc. Objects that do not allow the light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Example: football, wood, brick, teddy bear, etc. Now have a look at this picture. Suppose this window pane is made up of three different materials: opaque, translucent, and transparent. Okay? On the other side of the window pane is giraffe. You see, from here you can't see anything because this is made up of opaque object. And just now we have studied that opaque objects do not allow the light to pass through them, and hence we cannot see anything through them. But from here you can see some part, but not very clearly. Why? Because it is made up of translucent object. And just now we have studied that translucent object allows some light to pass through them. And that is why we can see the object through them, but these objects can't be seen clearly. But here you can see the giraffe very clearly, and also the grass. Why? Because it is made up of transparent object. And just now we have studied that transparent objects allow the light to pass through them, and hence we can see through these objects.